the Crystal George Media.
Are we done?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
State Primary Healthcare Board. Primary Healthcare Board. Go.
The inauguration of the Local Government Service Commission marks a significant step in our ongoing commitment to grassroots development. This commission is charged with overseeing the welfare and discipline of the local government employees. The local government is the closest arm of government to our people. It is through this level that essential services, community projects, and responsive governance reach our citizens directly. Therefore, a strong, professional, and disciplined local government civil service way is not only desirable, it is essential. This commission has the constitutional mandate to regulate the affairs of local government workers, to ensure merit-based recruitment, training, promotion, and discipline within the local government system. But beyond administrative functions, the Commission must be an engine of reform, driving professionalism, enforcing standards, and insulating the service from politics, mediocrity, and patronage. I'm confident that the members we have inaugurated today possess the competence, character, and courage to execute their responsibilities with diligence and integrity. You are not only administrators, you are custodians of grassroots development and public trust. As an administration, we are committed to repositioning the local government system to be more responsive, people-centered, and accountable. We want a local government workforce that reflects excellence, upholds public trust, and delivers real impact at the community level. This administration has also embarked on some reforms in the entire public service of Rivers State. Shortly, the biometric capture and verification exercise will begin, including the local government areas for all our workers. It is our hope that the outcome will be a veritable tool for proper planning, for staff welfare, and comprehensive development. I expect your full cooperation with this exercise. You must ensure that every appointment and promotion reflects merit. You must provide training opportunities that build capacity. And you must be firm and fair in disciplinary issues and matters, so that the local government system becomes a model of productivity and public service. Let me also assure you that this administration will give you all the support needed to succeed. We will insist on performance, we will reward results, and together we will transform the quality of governance at the local levels in Rivers State. Congratulations once again on your appointment. I charge you to serve with patriotism, professionalism, and purpose. Thank you, and God bless Rivers State.